In the given figure, AB is parallel to DE and AC is parallel to DF. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This question they asked in the last year 2026 board paper. So here triangle ABC is similar to DEF. We need to prove triangle ABC DEF. Now see, here these two lines are parallel, AB and DE. So I'll take this angle and this angle. They both are equal because of the corresponding angles. Angle ABC equals angle DEF. Reason is like corresponding angles as the lines are parallel. Because AB is parallel to DE. Next, in the same way, this angle ACB AFE, angle ACB angle AFE, sorry DFE, angle DFE, both are angles are equal. Reason again same, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, but this time AC is parallel to DF. Therefore, now two angles are equal in both the triangles. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Angle similarity. Two angles in both the triangles are equal. So angle similarity, two triangles are similar. Now triangle ABC, we need to find, see, if BC is 10, EB is equal to CF equal to 5, EB and CF is 5 centimeters and AB is 7 centimeters. We need to find the length of DE. So just now we got triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. As the two triangles are similar, I'll write the sides are proportional. So if the triangles are similar, then the sides are proportional. So here AB by DE, then BC by EF, then AC by, that equals AC by DF. Now if I'll substitute the values in this, see, AB value is 7 centimeters, 7. DE, which I need to find, BC is 10, EF, now here see here, EB is 5, BC is 10, CF is 5. So total EF will be 20. So total EF is 20. So EF is 20. Now these values are not there, not required, because we need to find DE. Now here 10 times 1, 10 times 2, 7 by DE equals 1 by 2. So if I'll cross multiply, DE is 7 into 2. So the length of DE is 14 centimeters. Length of DE is 14 centimeters.